Well, hey everyone, Hudson Henry here. I'm in my Portland, Oregon studio, and I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be joining forces with Island Photography Workshops this June 2nd to bring you a series on Vancouver Island called Approaching the Scene. In this series, we're going to talk about ways to improve your dramatic storytelling imagery. And I'm going to break it down into a lecture about what drives me, what drives my passion for photography, and how it took me from a career in law to a career in making images and helping other people create better dramatic images. I'm going to talk a little bit about what should go into your thought process before you actually turn on your camera and take a picture. You know, what should you be thinking about? How do you pre-visualize what you want to capture? What are things you're looking for to put the elements together in a way that's really going to draw the viewer's eye into your image and tell a better story? And then we're going to talk about some of the ways that you use your gear to better capture the image when you're actually out creating the image. And finally, we're going to talk about how to edit those photographs and get the basic raw processing done so that they're ready to finish and stylize however you want. I don't think any of these steps to creating better dramatic imagery are dependent upon what kind of camera you use, what kind of software or computer you use to edit with. None of that really matters as much as the thought process that goes into it and knowing your gear and how to use it. For example, with basic raw processing, I don't think it matters whether you're using Adobe or On1 or Capture One or any of the other platforms out there. The basic tone and color adjustments to get that image ready to finish any way that you want are going to be virtually identical. So we're going to have a good time. I'm going to take all of your questions. It's going to be a really fun time in a beautiful location on Vancouver Island, and I really hope you'll join me.